Hello, my name is Matt and I'm an account manager here at Tire Inventory Solutions. Today I'll be explaining all the features of the program and how best to use them. I realize your time is valuable, so thank you for spending some time with me today. I invite you to relax, grab a coffee, and learn how this program can help you save time and boost sales at your store. We do recommend you watch the demo in full, as 91% of viewers end up using the program more efficiently and continue using it 12 months later. That's a huge endorsement that we're very proud of. If you have any questions during the demo, please ask us or visit our FAQ help page. We're always happy to help and the support is always free. Let's start with a quick look at our homepage. In this part of the page, you can create an account, log in, or search for tires. Just below that, there are links to download our app, which we highly recommend you do, by the way, a link to contact us, our pricing page, blog, and of course the help section. Be sure to view the videos located further down the page, including the demo you're watching, which can be reviewed at your convenience if you ever need a refresher. Let's begin by logging into your account. Use the 3 or 4-letter user ID you were issued when the account was opened. If you forget your password, you can recover it here. Once inventory has been added to the program, it will show on your homepage like this. Now, some of you may be thinking keeping a list like this is too much work and takes too much time to maintain. Fact is, it takes less time than any paper list, spreadsheet, or other generic inventory program which many shops use today. Adding an item to this list takes only seconds. I'll explain how it's done in an upcoming video. This page displays your tires. Access similar pages for wheels, parts, labor, and warranty items here. We'll look at these pages shortly. Let's start by exploring the search box. Search your inventory quickly by using one or more of these search criteria. Search by size, select from a list of brands and models, search by tire type, and sort the results in different ways. You can search by stock number or keyword. Very handy when searching by SKU, for example. View records from your associated stores by selecting Include here. Search results are displayed below. Each record can include a tire size, picture, stock number, brand, model, speed and load rating, tread depth, quantity available, wholesale, retail price, location in the shop, the date the record was created, and any private notes. Common edits can be done on this screen. Simply change the value and click outside the box. The new value will be saved. When adding new tires to inventory, simply locate the item and change the quantity to reflect the new number in stock. There's no need to recreate a record each time inventory is added. If you need to make more detailed edits, click here. Access additional pictures and details not viewable on the previous page. All fields on this page can be edited as needed at any time. Be sure to save any changes by clicking the Save Entry button. Click here to manage the images for this record. Add, change, or delete images on this page. To add a new image, select a photo from a file on your computer and drag it to this box. Let's take a brief look at your wheel inventory page. This page is almost identical to your tire page with some minor differences in the search box to better accommodate wheel searches. Next is the parts labor page. Create a list of commonly sold part or labor items here that may or may not be tire related. Enjoy the same benefits of this program for your non-tire inventory as well. Each record can display a part number, description, quantity, cost, wholesale, and retail prices. Finally, a quick look at the warranty page. Select from a list of warranties you may sell at your shop. Each one can be priced as a percentage of the sale or a flat price. You have the option to access your inventory in list view instead of picture view. The same information is shown in a more compact format without the pictures. There is no difference in the functionality between this page and the picture view version we just went over. List view is available for the wheel, part labor, and warranty pages as well. Click here to return to picture view. Manage your inventory using the app just as easily as managing it on your PC. Start by visiting your search page here. Select from sizes in your inventory or type in a size here. Search by brand, model, stock number, and keyword. Click Search to view the results. View all the basic information and pictures for the record. Edit the quantity, price, and notes right from this page by clicking on the item and changing the value. To view a larger photo, click on any image to enlarge it. To make more detailed edits, click this icon to take you to the Edit page. Make changes to the record as necessary. You can also add or replace pictures on this page. Click this icon to share a record with a customer. Select the format to send the message. A note generated by the program is sent from your device with a link to the tire record. They will see pictures and all the information associated with the record and contact you directly to purchase the items. Delete the item by clicking this icon, or you can add it to invoice here. This feature is covered in the app invoicing video. The fastest way to add inventory, particularly used tires and wheels, is with the app. On your home page, click on the Add Tires button to get started. Enter a tire width, aspect, and rim size, a quantity, retail price, wholesale price, a cost. Select a tire type from this list. Enter a brand, a model, tread depth, a speed or load rating, location in your shop, any private and public notes, and up to 4 images. These tires are now on your list. Notice the app issues a stock number for the set. Write the number on your tires. This helps locate them faster by going directly to the numbered tire instead of searching through rows of similar tires. Notice it took only about 50 seconds to enter all that information for 4 tires. Speed up the process by entering less details. Only the tire size and quantity is required to save a record. Add wheels the same way by clicking on the Add Wheels button. Although we recommend using the app for most entries, in some cases you may find using the PC more convenient. Access the Add Inventory pages here. This page is used to add tires. Access the Add Wheels, Part Labor, and Warranty Items pages here. Enter the same type of information about the set of tires like you would to any other program, spreadsheet, or paper list. Include at least a size and quantity, but add as much detail as you like. Preview the entry here. Save the entry or add images. Up to 4 images can be uploaded by dragging photos from a file on your computer. Next, a quick look at your profile. Your user ID and password is displayed in green here at the top of the page. It's what you use to log in on your PC and into the app. This is your profile information. Much of this was entered when you first created an account. Edit these details if your profile information changes. There are a few new fields I'd like to point out. First item is the associate number. If you have other locations, enter the location IDs of all the stores in this line without spaces in each of the store's profiles. Each location will be able to view a group inventory, much easier than calling each location for an inventory check. Next is your limited access password. Users logged in with this password can view, add inventory, and select items to invoice both on PC and in the app. They cannot, however, edit or delete records. There are more new items to go over on this page, but I'll cover them in detail in videos the setting applies to. Be sure to save any changes on this page by clicking the Update Profile button at the bottom of the page. You can print or download a copy of your list at any time. Click here to access the Print section. This page is a preview of what is about to be printed. It's currently sorted by size, but can be resorted here. Choose to include the cost on the printout, and display either the wholesale or the retail price on the list. You can download a CSV file or print a hard copy here. A printed copy of your inventory displays a list of your tires in the first section. Scroll down the page to view a list of wheels, and a little lower to view a list of the parts labor items. Let's explore the reports page here. This page displays a report of all sales of inventory items sold when using the included invoicing program. The report can be sorted by custom date range here and sorted in different ways here. Display sales from the previous or current month by clicking on these buttons. You can also search a history of sales to a particular customer with this yellow box. Search by name or phone, and the sales to that client will display below. Print or download a CSV file of the results by visiting these links. Access a history of your invoices here. Search for, view, and reprint the invoices generated by the invoicing program. Use the search box to locate a particular customer invoice from the past. Click on any link to reprint either the customer copy or your accounting copy. All accounts are emailed a daily inventory backup file to access in case your internet goes down. This allows you to access a very recent inventory list at all times. The backup also documents any changes since the last report, including any items that were deleted. To add items from inventory to invoice, click on the Add Invoice button. You can select more than one item from this page. You can also navigate to your other pages to add more items to the same invoice. Once finished, continue to invoice. The items selected from the previous pages will show here. If you need to add additional stock to the invoice, visit these links to select more items. Select the wholesale or retail button to reflect the correct sale price. The quantity shown here defaults to the number in stock. Confirm the actual number to sell by typing the correct quantity in each box. If you need to add any non-stock items, add them manually here. Be sure to indicate if it's a part or labor item for tax purposes. Enter a number to sell and a per unit price. Next, confirm the quantity of any disposal fees or tire levies. This section will not appear if you do not normally charge these fees. There is an option of offering a percentage or flat rate discount to your part and or labor totals here. Deselect any taxes here if they do not apply. If a customer makes a partial payment, you can enter it here. Indicate a form of payment and select No if you do not want your bookkeeper to have a copy of this particular invoice. Finally, enter any comments you wish to appear on this invoice only. Continue to view the next page. Enter the customer information on this page. Search from a list of previous customers using their name or phone number. Select the correct customer from the list and click in any blank field to populate the information. You can add vehicle information to the invoice in the same way. This step is optional. Click here to print a paper copy of the invoice. At the same time, copies are emailed to the customer and to your bookkeeper. The invoice displays your store's information in this area, your logo here if you have one, the invoice number and date in the top right, your customer information here, vehicle data, if included, is shown here. This is the summary section showing the balance due, details of the items sold, and details of any taxes and levies applied. Let's briefly revisit your profile page. In the second part of this page is the accounting and tax information section. Add your bookkeeper's email here. Enter any tax values in these fields and indicate if they apply to parts, labor, or both. Enter disclaimer information such as your return policy, warranty information, or any other disclaimers here. Enter a signature here. a thank you for your business note, for example. Notes in the signature and disclaimer boxes will appear on every invoice. Be sure to save any changes at the bottom of the page. All items are automatically removed from inventory when an invoice is printed, saving you time, helping you stay more organized, and making your bookkeeping easier. You can also create an invoice for items without selecting something from stock. Click the blank Invoice Quote button to get started. Fill in these lines as demonstrated earlier in this video and finish the invoice in the same way as a regular invoice. Invoices can be created using the app as well. First, locate the tires, wheels, or part labor items you wish to sell by using the search pages. Locate the items by size, brand, model, stock number, or keyword. Select the items you are selling by clicking on this icon. More than one record can be added to invoice from this page. When done, click on the blue icon at the bottom of the page. Select retail or wholesale to reflect the correct price on the invoice. To add more items to the invoice, click on one of these links to take you to the appropriate page. Add items from those pages in the same way. To continue with the invoice, confirm the quantity of each item sold. Make any last-minute price adjustments here. Remove items from the invoice here. And deselect any taxes if they do not apply to the sale. This page displays your totals. Click Calculate to continue. Enter new customer information here, or locate previous customer information by typing the name or phone number in the yellow box. Optionally, you can do the same for vehicles in the section below. A copy of the invoice is emailed to your accountant and to your customer. Access a printed copy on PC on your invoice history page. Let's review the inventory website that comes with the program. On this page, your customers can view a live inventory of your tires and wheels 24/7. Our demo page is located at aac.ourtires.net. Substitute your 3 or 4 letter location ID in place of the AAC shown here. That will be your website location. The records shown on your web page will update automatically whenever changes are made to your list. Your customer will see your logo here and your contact information in this area. Below is the search box the customer can use to find what they're looking for. They can type in a tire size or select from a list of sizes here. Select from a list of brands, models, or select a tire type in this tab. They can view inventory from this location or view results from associated stores by selecting Group. In each record, the customer can view a size, picture, brand, model, quantity, and retail price. More details are available by clicking here. They can view a larger picture here and any additional photos if available. More details are viewable in this section, and your contact information is displayed here. Once your customer decides on a purchase, they can contact you directly to buy. Sometimes shops get so busy there's no time to answer the phone. In that case, they can send you an order here. They can select more than one item from the page, then click the black Order button. On this page, the customer can enter their contact information, confirm the quantity of each item, choose to send you a message in this field, then click on the Submit Order button to finish. You'll receive an email with all this information. Follow up with your customer and make arrangements for them to make the purchase. If you sell wholesale, give your buyers a password to log into your inventory web page. Wholesale buyers will see the identical page your retail customers see, except for the pricing displayed will be wholesale prices. Include this link in every ad you post on Facebook or any other online site. Save time by reducing the number of ads you post, and increase your exposure by giving buyers access to your entire inventory in every ad. You can also link this page to your current website and tell your customers your inventory is now online. Promotion on OurTires.net is included in the program. Note there is no location ID in this URL. This page contains multiple tire store inventories and is viewable to the world. It's a great way to attract new customers that may not even know you exist. Your listings can be excluded from this page with a setting on your profile page. Customers can access the Wheels page with this link right here. Buyers can search by size, brand, and model, just like on the other pages we went over. They can also find tires close by entering their zip code or checking availability in a particular city or state.